and this way you can make this powerful battery at your home. How to make a 12 voltage battery at your home? Only you need two ingredients, and also you can easily charge the battery with 12 voltage supply. First you need lithium ion battery. This is 3.7 voltage at 2 ampere. This is cost for me 6 batteries of laptop repairing shop you can get for 100 rupees. Open the battery pack and check all cells. All cells are okay or not. See with multimeter. If the voltage 1 or 2 voltage, remove the cell. And you need one BMS circuit. This is a 40 ampere BMS. Directly 12 voltage supply couldn't charge the lithium ion batteries. You need this, and also it helps to maintain the battery life of lithium ion cells. And the process starts now. Take the battery, one battery, and see the terminals. This is positive and this is negative. This is positive and this is negative. See the all batteries, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And separate the all batteries, 4 batteries, 4 batteries, 4 batteries, means 8 ampere. Each battery carries only 2 ampere. And just see, think like this is one battery, 8 ampere battery. Connect the negative points parallelly, connect the negative points all, and positive points also all. It would be 8 ampere. Connect the all batteries like this way, this and this. Guys, try to use the bigger wires, means high wires, to carry more ampere and more voltage.
One hour later.
And you see all connections of batteries are done. See negative, positive, and positive, negative, and negative, positive. Connect these batteries into series connection. I will explain. Connect this negative to positive and negative to positive. It is series connection. I will do. I did it the connection of series. See, mainly positive to negative of another cell, and this cell mainly positive to negative, same, and it is negative point of main cell, and this is a positive point, and the voltage is around 10.6 voltage, nearly 11 voltage. And now I will connect the wires to the BMS. I will not do connection, I will add wires on BMS.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
And just I completed the connection of BMS. I will show. uh, of BMS. 1 minute, please. Uh, I connected full wires, 0 volt and 4 volt and 4 volt. This is 4 volt, 8 volt and minus plus. I jointed the connection. It is already jointed in board, PCB board. Extra protection, extra ampere I want. That's why I kept wire on this soldering. I will tell the connection of BMS to battery. This is a 0 volt and I will connect to the negative point, and negative point is this of starting. The negative point, okay. Negative point is done. 0 volt connection. You have to connect these wires to positive only. Positive only. Don't connect these wires to negative. See, take 4.2 volt and connect to the this negative point only, this upper part. And second, see, 8.4 volt 8.4 volt point you should connect to this point, 8.2. And now the last point, 12.6 volt connection, where I have to do the positive point, main positive point we have to do, last point of positive. This point we have to do, this point. Now connection is fully done. I will explain again. See, 4.2 voltage to first cell and 0 volt to this cell only. This cell is a 0 point voltage and top side is 4 volt. Top side is 4 volt. Top side is 4 volt and 8.4 volt is next cell of positive. Next cell of positive, see. And last 12 volt is going to positive. Let us test. I am doing starting. It is running on battery. This also light. No power in room. Lights are not working. See, lights are not working, and I removed plug, and also this is not there, and no wires on background. You can see this is base wire. I will show now how it is comes, and I will show how much power it is producing now. And screen will be on when I will remove this. See, fully gone. This way you can make this powerful battery at your home.